Hello, good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Sunday, the 11th of April. All right, let's do a quick analysis on Bitcoin and then move along because it's not the story right now. There's other coins that are moving like crazy right now. They have passed the baton from Bitcoin. Quick analysis here on Bitcoin. We have an ascending triangle pattern here. Just from a technical point of view, we can take the open end of that triangle and we can append it to the top of the pattern. We have a breakout measured move target of about 78,000. So if and when we start to break higher from here, the measured move target is going to be about 78,000 for BTC versus the US dollar. Now, from a statistical point of view, the Deribit options chain is showing about an 78.50 expected move plus and minus into the end of April. So that gives us a top level for that expected move of 67,745, which is not far from where we were last week. And the bottom end of that expected move is about 52,045. So we're just going to move this up just a little bit here. And that is going to come in right around that trend line that we've been marking with the major lows here. So we have not been able to see Bitcoin versus the US dollar break out of this pattern yet. The volume just hasn't been there. And I'm wondering if we need to take one more trip back down to the trend line again to stoke up that negativity. That should create the big slingshot move if we can't break higher above the neckline, which is at 60,000. So let's bring this back here to today. And there we go. There is our expected move probability envelope of 68.2% from here until the end of April, a couple of weeks away. All right, with Bitcoin out of the way, we're seeing a lot of other coins be real strong. So this is just a bull flag that we're seeing on Ethereum. This looks really good. Polkadot has been in a retest of the breakout level. I'd like to see this rebound off of there a little bit better. Cardano looks to be in the same type of pattern where it's just this big, long, symmetrical triangle. So eventually this too will break from this level. Chainlink has been pretty good lately. Same kind of pattern, almost the same kind of cup pattern with handle that we've been seeing from a lot of other breakouts recently. So it's interesting to watch how these classic chart patterns are still coming to bear with something as new as these new digital assets. Ripple has been the big story lately. Ripple has broken out and big move this weekend, well above $1.10. So it went high as $1.50. Go figure. All right. So I don't know what the news is on Ripple. I don't follow that sort of thing, but the price action is showing me that it wants to go back up to all-time highs. So we're talking about 2017 levels here, where Ripple was up near about 325, 330 or so. So this is going to end up being a great big cup with handle pattern, more than likely. So we'll see whether or not we can still make up this ground up near $3, 330 or so, set up the handle for that. But this could be a big, big pattern. Again, the measured move for cup pattern is basically from the neckline all the way down through here, and then we transpose that to the upside. So that's basically going to be a $3 move from there up to maybe about 650. Here's Stellar Lumens showing the same kind of cup with handle pattern, neckline about 60 cents. Big potential for that one. Here's Binance Coin. Since the symmetrical triangle breakout, this one has been unstoppable and is hitting parabolic highs now up near 520. Super, super price action after the breakout. Okay, we have Monero is breaking out above the neckline of 280 as well too. So all these are like setting up these big base cup patterns and then just breaking above the neckline on that level. Another one to watch is Dogecoin. Dogecoin has about a neckline of, let's call this 8 to 8.5 cents, but a lot of volume is kicking in. You know, if we call this a lot of volume, but Dogecoin is getting somewhere today, up almost 18%. Here is NEO. NEO has done the same thing as Binance Coin after this long consolidation, breaking higher, setting up a flag. That looks really good. Decred has been a strong grinding pattern higher, so building a lot of energy as it goes higher, which is the very strongest patterns. So looking through the rest of the top 20, we have like Decentraland showing another ascending triangle pattern here. Higher lows with equal highs, that's an ascending triangle pattern. The forward price projection of this is the open end of this, goes from about 70 cents up to $1.20. So the projected move would be about 50 cents above that, or $1.70 for Decentraland. We're also seeing some pretty good gains from some of the altcoins that we follow, such as Engine, where we're seeing good moves here from a Potcoin, and we're seeing good moves. Again, this is Decentraland versus BTC, also looks pretty good right now. Atom versus BTC, consolidating, setting up nice. But most of the movement is in the top 20 in crypto today. So that's it for this weekend's report. We'll look for that big breakout coming soon.